Hello everyone, we can continue exercise 3.2. Now we will do question number 27 onwards. Question number 27. If a square minus 3a plus 1 is equal to 0, find a square plus 1 by a square and a cube plus 1 by a cube. So a square minus 3a plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find out a square plus 1 by a square, no, and 1 by a cube. So to make it as 1 by, we have to divide throughout by a, that is a square minus 3a plus 1 by 0. We have to divide throughout by a, that both sides by a. That means a square by a minus 3a by a plus 1 by a is equal to 0 by a. 0 by a, both sides we have to do. 0 by a is what? 0 itself. So a square by a means a, 1a will cancel. Then here 1a will cancel, minus 3 plus 1 by a is equal to 0. So a plus 1 by a, left side, take that negative 3 to the right side, so it will become positive 3. So a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. So same as the previous questions, a plus 1 by a is equal to 3 we got. So we can directly find out a square plus 1 by a square and a cube plus 1 by a cube. For finding a square plus 1 by a square, what we want to do? Squaring both sides of this equation number 1. So a plus 1 by a, the whole square is equal to 3 square. So a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, that is our formula, is equal to 3 square 9. So a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. So a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 7. That is the first part of our question. Then for getting a cube plus 1 by a cube, we have to cube. Which one? This a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. If cubing both sides, a plus 1 by a is equal to 3, we have cubing both sides of that first part. That means already we got that equation number 1 as a plus 1 by a is equal to 3. Cubing both sides, we will get a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equal to 3 cube is 27. So a cube, then a square, a, 1a will cancel, we will get 3a. Then 1 by a square means this a and a square, 1a will cancel. So balance we will get it as 3 and denominator 1a. So it will be 3 by a plus 1 by a cube, 1 cube by a cube, that is 1 by a cube is equal to 27. So a cube plus 1 by a cube plus, already we discussed in that question that 3a and 3 by a, we are familiar with this, how to find common. 3 into a plus 1 by a is equal to 27. A plus 1 by a, we have 3, substitute that value. So a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into that value 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal plus 9 is equal to 27. Take that negative 9 to the right side. So it will become a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 27 minus 9. A cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 18. Next question number 28. If a is equal to 1 divided by a minus 5, find a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a square minus 1 by a square. So a is equal to 1 by a. So if we cross multiply a into a minus 5 is equal to 1 into 1, 1. So a into a minus 5 is equal to 1. Then change the brackets, a square minus a into 5 is 5a. Then take that 1 to the left side, so it will become negative 1. So a square minus 5a minus 1 is equal to 0. So this becomes same as question number 27. So for question number 27, what we have done? Dividing both sides by a. So a square by a minus 5a by a minus 1 by a is equal to 0. A cancel, we will get 1a, and here a cancel, we will get 5. A minus 5 minus 1 by a is equal to 0. Same, negative 5 take to the right side. So a minus 1 by a is equal to 5. So we have to find out a minus 1 by a. So first part we got a minus 1 by a is equal to 5. Next we have to find out a plus 1 by a and a square minus 1 by a square. So for finding that a minus 1 by a, the whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. A square plus 1 by a square, we have to find out. So for what we are finding a square plus 1 by a square? We have only a minus 1 by a. So that value we are substituting as 5. So 5 square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square, we don't know, minus 2. So from the 5 square 25, minus 2 will become plus 2. 25 plus 2 is equal to a square plus 1 by a square. 27 is equal to a square plus 1 by a square. Why we are finding a square plus 1 by a square? Why? Because we have to find out a plus 1 by a, not a minus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a already we got. Next we have to find out a plus 1 by a. So finding a plus 1 by a, we have to find out a plus 1 by a the whole square. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2 is our formula. So a plus 1 by a the whole square we have to find out means we need what? A square plus 1 by a square. So a square plus 1 by a square if we find earlier, then only we can substitute that value as 27. We got a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 27. So for that only we have done a minus 1 by a the whole square. Since we have a minus 1 by a we have. That's why we are taking. If we take directly a plus 1 by a means we don't have a plus 1 by a, we have to find out. Here also a square plus 1 by a square we don't have. So we can't substitute the values for both. We have only 2. So to substitute a square plus 1 by a square, that's why we found a minus 1 by a the whole square. So a minus 1 by a the whole square. If we expand from there we will get a square plus 1 by a square. I think it is clear. So 27 we got 27 plus 2. So a plus 1 by a the whole square is equal to 29. So a plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus root 29. Third part is a square minus 1 by a square. So a square minus 1 by a square is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Same case. So a plus 1 by a is 5. A minus 1 by a is plus or minus 25. From the first part and the second part of our question, a plus 1 by a and a minus 1 by a we got. So that value we are substituting here and we will get it as 5 root 29 plus or minus 5 root 29. Okay, so next we will do question number 29. 29. If x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 3, find x cube plus 1 by x cube. So x plus 1 by x square, the x the whole square is equal to 3. So from there we will get a x plus 1 by x is equal to root of 3 plus or minus root 3. So if we get to 1 square we have and a cube we have to find out. So if we get x plus 1 by x then only we can cube this. So we can't cube this directly this question. X plus 1 by x the whole square only given. We have x plus 1 by x the whole square. So we need x plus 1 by x, then only we can cube to get x cube and 1 by x cube. So x plus 1 by x the whole square, taking the cube root, we will get it as plus or minus, x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 3. So if you take the square root, x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus root 3. So x plus 1 by x is equal to, take positive root 3. So cubing both sides. For getting what? X cube plus 1 by x cube. So cubing both sides of this, x plus 1 by x the whole cube is equal to root 3 cube. This is in the form of a plus b the whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube is equal to root 3 cube is root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is what? 3 into root 3. So that is why 3 root 3 here. Root 3 cube is 3 root 3. So x cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Here a stands for x and b stands for 1 by x. So x cube plus 1 by x cube together, x cube plus 1 by x cube. Then x square and x, 1x will cancel, we will get a 3x. Then here x square and 1x will cancel, we will get a 3 by x is equal to 3 root 3. Okay, so same as the previous question, x cube plus 1 by x cube 3 we can take common, then balance will be x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 root 3. That x plus 1 by x we can take, write root 3 plus root 3, positive root 3, no need of taking negative. So first we take a positive root 3. Two values we have, positive root 3 and a negative root 3. So plus 3 into x plus 1 by x root 3 value we are substituting. So 3 root 3. So x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into positive root 3 value we are substituting. So 3 root 3. Take that in 3 root 3 to the right side. It will become negative 3 root 3. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0. Now we substituted x plus 1 by x as root 3 only. We have one more value, plus or minus, no. So minus root 3 if you are substituting in this equation, what will happen? X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into negative root 3 is equal to, in that equation number 1, we are substituting x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into negative root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. That's what we wrote here. X cube plus 1 by x cube. Then positive into negative is negative 3 root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 3 root 3. This will become positive 3 root 3. That is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 is equal to 3 plus 3, 6 root 3. Same as x, 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x. We are doing now. So root 3 also we have to do like this way. 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3, 6 root 3. So keep in mind that 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 is different. 3 into 3, 9. That root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 9 3s are 27. So find out this difference. 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 is 6 root 3. Don't write like this way. If we want to multiply, that should be in multiplication. That is root 3 and root 3. We can't multiply here. 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 is equal to 6 root 3. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 6 root 3. Okay, thank you.